நேரத்தை வீணடித்தால் அதனை திரும்ப பெற முடியாது. முன்னாள் தலைமை செயலாளர் இறையன்பு மாணவர்களுக்கு அறிவுரை. சென்னை விஐடி தனியார் கல்லூரியில் சட்டம், பொருளாதாரம், கணினி அறிவியல், மேலாண்மை, வணிகம் போன்ற இளங்கலை படிப்புகளில் சேர்ந்த முதலாம் ஆண்டு மாணவர்களுக்கான 1 மாத புத்தாக்க பயிற்சி திட்டத்தின் துவக்க விழா இன்று தனியார் கல்லூரி வளாகத்தில் நடைபெற்றது. விஐடி தனியார் கல்லூரி நிறுவனர் மற்றும் வேந்தர் முனைவர் கோவி விஸ்வநாதன் தலைமையில் நடைபெற்ற இந்நிகழ்வில் தமிழக முன்னாள் தலைமை செயலாளர் வே. இறையன்பு கலந்து கொண்டு முதலாம் ஆண்டு கல்லூரி மாணவர்கள் மத்தியில் சிறப்புரையாற்றினார். தொடர்ந்து வரும் ஜூலை 22ஆம் தேதி முதல் ஜூலை 26ஆம் தேதி வரை பொறியியல் மாணவர்களுக்கான புத்தாக்க பயிற்சி நடைபெற உள்ளது என்பது குறிப்பிடத்தக்கது.
A young school boy, he had to walk more than 10 kilometers to go to school. There is no electricity at home, there is no.
You can preserve pleasure for your later life and work hard when you are in this institution. He also mentioned the crucial role of education in shaping your future, and by virtue of your hard work, you can make a career that will be rewarding. I request all the students who have come here to join in this institution to take his advice sincerely, as it emanates from a person who has achieved so many things in his life, and work hard every minute to reach your destination. It is very important to know that the journey is equally important. Many a person think of the destination as the ultimate objective in their life, and in the process they fail to enjoy their lives. I would request you to enjoy every minute in this institution. If you start enjoying the education, it will become a joy for you, and every moment will become a bliss. Then you are able to dispel the darkness by virtue of the light of wisdom that you are going to gain in this institution. It is going to be a pleasant journey. I also would like to highlight a few points advised by the guest of honor, Mr. Ramesh Bharat. He was rightly mentioning that communication is 90% listening and 10% talking. Today, listening is often called as the forgotten skill, as it is said by Shakespeare in his Henry IV. There is a character called Falstaff who says that I suffer from the disease of not listening. Many a time we find people who suffer from the disease of not listening. Another important aspect that he mentioned is about missing breakfast. I am reminded of the portraits in the libraries of the United States of America. They will have Jefferson, Lincoln, Washington and Benjamin Franklin, and written below that all these great men never missed breakfast. Breakfast is extremely important for one reason, that you have long hours of fasting after your dinner, and if you skip your breakfast, your brain will be longing for glucose, and if it doesn't get proper glucose, you will become tired, fatigued, and you will not be able to listen to the classes. The third important aspect that he said is about postponing the easiest works and attending to the difficult works.